everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are almost at the end of May and I have just been in cleaning mode lately. It's that spring cleaning itch that I always get this time of year. And today I really wanted to clean out my makeup drawer. So one of the drawers in my desk is used exclusively for my everyday makeup. When you see how many products are in here, you'll realize that there is no way that I use all of this every day. And it's about that time for me to clean it out. So there's a lot of unused products that just need to go. There's a lot of empty products that probably need to go. The whole drawer itself just needs to be cleaned out, wiped down, and I really want to take inventory of what I have, what I actually use, and reduce as much of this clutter as I can. So I want to use this video as a little inspo for anyone who may also need to clean out their makeup drawer, because it's one of those looming tasks that you just put off, and every morning I'm like, I really need to clean this drawer out, and today is the day. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Here is the infamous makeup drawer. I'm going to begin by emptying it out completely, removing all of the products, the containers, and the drawer liner so I can wipe the entire thing down. I've had this desk for a few years. I absolutely love it, but this drawer is the only one that contains any products, and you can see that we've had some spills over the years, but it's all good. It still works great, and I found that lining the drawer and using these small containers to hold all of my products helps protect the furniture. So right now I'm spraying these repurposed acrylic makeup drawers with an all-purpose cleaner and wiping them down before placing the liner back into them. I try to use these to separate and organize my face products from my eye products. I've used old iPhone boxes before, PR packages, and other small boxes, but these have lasted the longest. Once they've all been cleaned and put back into place, I like to wipe down all of my products. I do this with the same all-purpose cleaner and a paper towel, gently cleaning each product to remove any makeup that may have spilled or gotten caked onto the packaging. This seems like a tedious step, but this probably makes the biggest difference in the long run. Having a clean drawer, clean containers, and clean products will help to keep this space tidy for a longer period of time. As I clean them, I add them back into the makeup drawer, and while I'm wiping down the products, I'm tossing any empties, expired makeup, or things I know I just haven't been and probably won't be using in the future. As I put the clean products back into the drawer, I try to separate face items from eye and lip items. So BB creams, powders, and bronzers going into one container, and eyebrow pencils, liners, mascaras, and lipsticks go into another. For larger palettes, I just place them right into the drawer. There's no right or wrong way to do this. This is just the system that has worked best for me. You'll notice that there are no brushes in this drawer. I find brushes to be the #1 culprit for dirtying up a makeup drawer. So I have a small cup on my desk that holds all of my powder, bronzer, blush, and shadow brushes. Again, this is just what works best for me. Some lesser used items like dermaplaning razors, I'll pop in the back for when I need one. Okay, we have made substantial progress. I'll show you the drawer in a sec. I just want to come up here and finish throwing out some of the garbage. All this, these are random products that I don't need, and this box has seen better days. Garbage. I'll pull this back down so you can see the drawer. I just washed my beauty blender, so I'm going to leave that right here on the towel. I'm going to put these cotton rounds in the back. This is a tinted chapstick that I still really like, so I'm going to add that over here. I'm going to put this with my travel stuff. Just washed my eyelash curler as well. We'll leave that over here. And then gonna put pimple patches in the bathroom, and that's pretty much it. So let me take this off so you can kind of see. So I feel like a new woman with this drawer organized. Anytime I do this, it brings new life, because when I open this in the morning, it's a really chaotic way to start the day. I don't use that many products when I'm doing my makeup. This still may look like a lot to some people, but it's really pretty minimal. I've pretty much eliminated foundation, BB cream. I do still have a BB cream that I love, but I've been using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro 16-hour like skin perfecting powder foundation, and I absolutely love it paired with my concealer. It's been working wonders for my skin. I just wrote a whole blog post about it. I'll be sure to link it below. And oh, this just put me in such a good spring cleaning mood. I am going to clean off the top of my desk now, and then maybe one day I'll tackle this other drawer. But that is it for this video. If you have any makeup drawers to clean out, whether they're in your bathroom, whether you have a vanity or just a designated makeup area, I encourage you to do so. It is so crazy how many products we collect and either stop using or just never think to throw out. We just kind of hold on to these products for a while until you're forced to throw them out, which is sort of where I ended up today. But so happy that this is done, and I hope it inspired you to clean out an area of your home as well. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and leave me any other video requests below, as I am getting back into a pretty good filming groove, and I love taking your suggestions. But that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!